On March 24th, an Air India flight from New Delhi to Bengaluru was diverted to Chennai. The airline claimed it was due to operational reasons on Bengaluru runway, but NDTV Profit reported there were no such runway issues. In fact, the flight landed at Chennai for a short while and was refueled before leaving for Bengaluru. And let's be real, this isn't the first time Air India's operational and maintenance issues have made headlines. Last month, a Chicago-Delhi flight had to make an unexpected U-turn due to its clogged toilets. Midway through the journey, the crew found 8 out of its 12 lavatories were out of order. So what caused this high-altitude plumbing disaster? Air India says its maintenance team found polythene bags, rags, and even clothes stuffed into the toilets. Some people on social media were seen blaming the careless passengers and others questioning Air India's maintenance procedures. Adding to the chaos, images of an engineer cleaning out the system started making the rounds. But experts told the court that these were old photos being repurposed, not actual evidence from the incidents. So first, let's understand, how does an aircraft lavatory work? Modern aircraft lavatories use a vacuum-based system to suck the waste into holding tanks. Aircraft lavatory tanks are not one big system. They are divided into multiple tanks: rear, center, and forward. For 8 toilets to fail, 2 separate tanks had to be clogged simultaneously. Now that's not a coincidence, that's a problem. So what exactly ends up in aircraft toilets? Besides clothes and rags, flight crew have found face towels, baby diapers, sanitary napkins, tissue papers, and even toiletry bottles. Over time, these build up and create serious plumbing nightmares. Aircraft have to undergo deep cleaning before every takeoff, but each airline follows its maintenance schedule. An operator can choose to make its own maintenance cycle as per cost and time, but within the time frame mentioned by the manufacturers. At this point, it's clear Air India's problems aren't just limited to clogged toilets or mysterious diversions. The airline seems to be juggling multiple operational and maintenance issues, and passengers are the ones paying the price. Have you ever faced such operational issues while flying? Drop your story in the comments and don't forget to follow us for more such updates.